This is News 14 Carolina, Meteorologist Matthew East, and this is the Wednesday edition of the Carolina weather video here. A lot to talk about. Let's get right into the video. Let's start off with temperatures this morning, and it is a chilly start to the day, certainly around the Carolinas. Lots of 20s out there this morning. A hard freeze ongoing for us as we're starting off today. And you look upstream, and here is that next push of Arctic air just entering the northern part of the country. And that's going to be dropping southeastward at a pretty good clip. There's the surface chart across the lower 48. This high pressure, the main influencing factor over our weather today. We'll see a lot of sunshine and fairly comfortable afternoon. Temperatures highs up into the 50s across a good chunk of the Piedmont. And it'll be a day with a lot of sunshine out there for today as well. That's the 500 millibar chart. This is off of the 0Z run of the GFS. This is valid 1 o'clock this afternoon. And there comes that next trough diving into the northern part of the country, a little piece of energy down in the southern plains as well, and that's going to drive that next shot of Arctic air into the central and eastern United States. 1 o'clock this afternoon on the GFS, high pressure near Cape Hatteras, and again giving us a pretty nice day today. Out to tomorrow, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and there comes that Arctic cold front approaching our area. And I will say the modeling's really slowed down this front. And now looks like more late tomorrow or tomorrow night that this front will actually push on through our area. So tomorrow, not a bad looking day at all. Highs in the 50s again. Here we are Friday morning, and the GFS really slows this thing down. And it really sort of hangs the front up as it slowly pushes across our area late Thursday into Friday. So that's Friday morning at 7 a.m. This is Friday evening, 7 p.m., and it's still sort of in the process of trying to push that boundary completely through the region. So the timing of that front just a bit in question. All right, here we are as we get into the weekend. Saturday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The GFS has this dry through the day Saturday, but I don't have the 500 millibar chart on here, but a little clipper type system drops in here. And again, this is Saturday, 1 p.m. Here we are 1 a.m. Sunday. And as that little clipper drops in, the GFS is trying to generate a little bit of light precipitation in the mid-Atlantic down into portions of North Carolina. And so again, I'm going to continue to mention that it's possible as we go through Saturday night into Sunday, it's possible we might see a little bit of precipitation. These clippers are tricky. You have to keep a close eye on them. Sometimes they can do some funny things and drop a little more precip than you might think they would. But again, so keep in mind that is a possibility. We'll keep a close eye on that Saturday night into Sunday time frame. By 1 o'clock Sunday afternoon, the clipper pulling away and a little reinforcing shot of chilly air moving into our area. And then on to next week's system. This is the GFS's depiction. This is valid 7 a.m. Tuesday, next Tuesday, the 9th. And what you're looking at here is the 10-meter temperatures, essentially near the surface temperatures, as well as the precipitation and the pressure. And notice that we have somewhat of a damming scenario in place as that next bout of precipitation moves in. And the GFS is advertising we'll have to watch at least for a little bit of wintry precip as that next system moves in. And I'll say the European is much slower with that system next week, really holding it off until later in the week. So still a lot of uncertainty with this forecast, a more uncertain forecast than normal. That oftentimes happens as you get into the wintertime months, and of course December, that is meteorological winter across the United States. So that's the beginning, at least, of meteorological winter. All right, so that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'll post some fresh thoughts on the blog as we go ahead in time here. Otherwise, have a great day, and next edition of the video will be posted tomorrow morning, Thursday morning. Everyone have a great day, and God bless.